Okay. All right. No, Mr. Blandino, you have counsel. You're not going to speak. All right. Well, you guys. All right. Mr. Bateman, are you ready? Well, I'm going to trailer your case, Mr. Bateman, and I'm going to come back to you. Let's go to page 11. C, 341-767, State of Nevada versus Kim Blandino. The record reflects that Mr. Blandino is present at liberty. Mr. Bateman is here on his behalf. Mr. Dickerson, are you on Blue Jeans?
I am, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Dickerson is here on behalf of the state. This is Daytime Step Central Calendar Code. Mr. Bateman, you ready for trial?
Judge, there's an issue, let me just say. Yesterday, Mr. Dickerson sent over discovery to me, and Mr. Blandino feels as though they have not been forthcoming in providing all of the discovery that we are entitled to. But look, Judge, I have gone over, I've done a file review. Most of the things that I received at that were things that have been in our possession, been in Mr. Blandino's possession since he was representing himself on this. But yes, it was new. What we got yesterday were about what was a voicemail recording and about 7 or 8 documents that we previously did not have.
Okay, Mr. Dickerson?
To that, Your Honor, the 7 or 8 documents that they are indicated that they previously did not have, Mr. Blandino no doubt has those. Those are all documents that come directly from his appeal of his misdemeanor case, which was the impetus for his extortion and impersonation of an officer in this case. He was a party to that. He has all those documents. I was simply providing them to him to let them know that these are something that I'm aware of and I have in my possession. In addition to that, the voicemail that they received was a voicemail recording that Mr. Blandino left to Traffic Commissioner Nordstrom. That's something that I've indicated to him that I just received right before I got it, right before I sent it to him, and that I do not intend to admit that in my case in chief.
Okay. All right. No, Mr. Blandino, you have counsel. You're not going to speak. All right. Well, you guys can raise these issues with Judge Levitt. I'm setting this case for trial. This case is going to begin jury trial on March 1st of 2022 at 1:00 p.m. in Department 12.
Okay, March 1st at 1 p.m.?
Tuesday at 1 p.m. in Department 12.
Okay, and with that, Your Honor, can I just make a quick record? About the guilty plea agreement that Mr. Blandino is rejecting?
All right, Mr. Blandino, did you get a guilty plea agreement?
Can I talk now?
You can answer my questions. Mr. Blandino, did you get a guilty plea agreement?
Let me make sure. That's the title of it.
He got it, Your Honor.
I just want to make sure the title. Yeah, it's guilty plea agreement.
Okay, are you rejecting the offer from the state and proceeding to trial?
No, I'm not actually rejecting it. I told my counsel that the way it's if I were to sign this, I'd have to lie because there's certain things in it that have not been, that I had to discuss, possible defense strategies. Because it says on here, and unless you give me permission to lie on this, I guess you could do that. It says I've discussed with my defense strategy.
Okay, Mr. Blandino. All right, you're not signing the guilty plea agreement, correct?
Well, there's stuff that's not true on there.
Okay, so that's a no, right?
Yeah. But
all right.
If they want to
jury trial March 1st at 1:00 in Department 12. Okay. You guys see you Tuesday. Judge Levitt will see you Tuesday. Thank you.